Why don't electric trikes for seniors ever get lonely? Because they are always re-tired and revolting. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on electric trikes for seniors. Tip 1. Choosing the right size. One of the first things to consider when purchasing an electric trike for a senior is the size. It is vitally important to choose a trike that will comfortably fit the rider. This means considering the height of the seat from the ground, the distance between the seat and the pedals, and the overall dimensions of the trike. Seniors with shorter heights might require a more compact model, while taller riders may need a bigger trike. Tip 2. Considering weight capacity. Another crucial aspect to look at is the weight capacity of the trike. It should be able to support the rider's weight without affecting performance or safety. Overloading can result in equipment failure and put the rider at risk. Always check the manufacturer's weight recommendations before purchasing. Tip 3. Choosing a trike with a comfortable seat. Comfort is a major concern for seniors, so it is advisable to look for an electric trike that offers a well-cushioned seat with good lumbar support. A comfortable seat makes longer rides more enjoyable and reduces the risk of back pain or discomfort. Tip 4. Ensuring easy mounting and dismounting. Most electric trikes are low enough to the ground to allow easy mount and dismount. However, for seniors with decreased mobility or balance issues, choosing a trike designed for easy access can help to prevent falls and injuries. Some designs incorporate a walk-through feature, which makes getting on and off even easier. Tip 5. Checking battery life. Electric trikes run on batteries, so considering the battery life of your chosen trike is important. It affects how far you can travel on a single charge. A trike with a longer battery life can increase outdoor mobility, especially for lengthy or more ambitious outings. Tip 6. Going for a trial ride. Before purchasing, it is advisable to try out several different electric trikes to find the one that feels most comfortable and easy to operate. This can give you a sense of the trike's weight, steering, and overall maneuverability, and let you see how well it fits your body. Tip 7. Checking the ease of operation. The trike should have simple controls that are easy for the senior to understand and use. This includes easy-to-read digital displays for speed, distance, and battery life, as well as throttle controls that are easy to reach and operate. Tip 8. Checking for stability. An electric trike with a low center of gravity and 3 sturdy wheels offers better stability, which can help keep a senior rider safe. Also, the wider the distance between the back wheels, the harder it is for the trike to tip over. Tip 9. Thinking about storage and transport. If you're planning on transporting the trike, or if you have limited storage space, it's worth considering a foldable model. Not all trikes have this feature, so if necessary, make sure your future purchase does. Tip 10. Having a budget plan. Electric trikes can vary considerably in price, based on their brand, model, features, and materials. Having a clear idea of your budget before you start shopping can help you to find the best trike within your price range. Tip 11. Considering maintenance requirements. Like any device, an electric trike will require regular maintenance to ensure it remains in good working condition. Some models may be easier to maintain than others, so consider the availability of spare parts and local repair services before making a purchase.